Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I am back with another earning video using Termux. So let's go to the website TRX Associate. Here you can see the pay real income. There is many methods you can earn. Manual faucet, instant pay, watch ads, short links, lottery, and much more. So let's make the account. Here you can create new account. Put email address, password, solve captcha, and register. Here for cookies and as user agent, we use smart cookies browser. Let's go to the file manager. Go to file and rename the folder. Open the configuration file. Edit it. Go to the browser. To three dots. Go to page tools. And here edit site cookies, copy cookies, paste here, go back and search in Google my user agent. I already searched, copy it, paste the user agent, save it. Copy the location. Go to the Termux. Type CD. Paste the location. ls. Here type php board.php. Skip it. Here is three different methods for earning. Here I select number 2 option. Here you can see the seconds are running. Here you can see I got coins, 20 tokens. The script is working. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon.